21st problem. Let us discuss some problems on probability. Here the 21st one is, a lot consists of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and the others are good. Nuri will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that the first one she will buy it, second one she will not buy it? Okay, here the first one is, first we can take how many pens are there in the lot, 144, defective pens 20, the remaining are good ones, that is 124. The first case, let E be the event which is good, then she will buy. So probability of E equal to possible outcomes of good ones by total outcomes, 124 by 144. Hundred and 24 are good ones, 144 are bad ones. Okay, here 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24. 31 by 36 is the case of buy. And the second case, let A be the event which is defective, then she will not buy. Probability of A equal to possible outcomes of defective by total. How many outcomes are there for defective ones? It is equal to 20 are possible outcomes of defective. Defective pens are 20, total are 144. 4 5s are 4 3s are 4, 6 are 24. So 5 by 36. Or we can subtract. If we know the good ones, then we get the bad ones probability. That is, if we know the probability of buy case equal to 31 by 36, and we have the relation probability of not buy equal to 1 minus probability of buy case. It is equal to 1 minus 31 by 36 equal to 36 minus 31 by 36. You subtract it, 5 by 36. You can do like that also. That is the complementary condition of the probability. Okay. 22nd problem. 2 dice. Here 2 dice. One bulb, one blue and one grey are thrown in the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes. What is the probability of sum of 2 dice? Sum of 2 dice. In each case, that is nothing but sum of 2 dice means first write the possible outcomes. In that the sum equal to 1 comma 1. The possible outcomes sum will get from 2 to 12 only. So a student argues that there are all possible outcomes 2 to 12. Therefore each of them has a probability 1 by 11. Do you agree with the argument? Justify your answer. First we can take the 2 dice. Okay, one is grey and another one is blue. This is a blue die. Another one is grey die. Okay, it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 faces. It has 1 2 3 4 5 6 faces. it is die 1, it is die 2. In this, the total possible outcomes are a die has 6 faces. How many dice? 2 dice. So 6 into 6, the total possible outcomes are 36. What are those means? We are constructing as a sample space, that is a set form. First write down what are the possible outcomes. From that only we can justify the answer. Okay. Here the combination, first die face is 1, second die face is also 1. First die face is, this is die 1 case, it is die 2 case. Okay. 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. First number for one die, for second number is of second die. 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. They are asking sum of two dice equal to, this is 1 plus 1, how much? 2. This is for 2, sum is 2, and this is sum is 3. This is sum is 12, 6 plus 6, 12. Next, this is 5 comma 6 or 6 comma 5. You add it, 5 plus 6, 11. Then you add it, 5 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 6 comma 4, 10. Then this is the way, and how many are, you take the diagonal elements, then you get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. Okay. Here the number of possible outcomes, here it is only one possible outcome. This is 2 possible outcomes, 3 possible outcomes, 4 possible outcomes for 9. Five possible outcomes for 8. The sum is 8. 6 possible outcomes for, the sum is 7. Next, again decreasing order. If the sum is 6, the possible outcomes are 5 only. 1, 2, 3, 4. If the sum of the two dice equal to 5, the possible outcomes are 4. The sum of dice equal to 4, the possible outcomes are 3. Okay. From this we can construct a table, the sum of the outcomes, that is event. What is the event? Event sum of two dice and then probability. Now we write it as, okay, the sum 2, the possible outcomes 1, total outcomes 36. For sum 3, the possible outcomes 2, sum 36, total outcomes. 4, increasing, here just you observe it. If the sum 3, possible outcomes are 2 only. Sum 4, possible outcomes are 3. Sum 5, possible outcomes are 4. Sum 6, possible outcomes are 5. Some 7 possible outcomes are 6. Some 6, 5, some 7, 6. This is the maximum. Then again decreasing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the sum is 7, then it is a maximum possible outcomes. Then it is in the decreasing order. Here sum 5 is, sum 4 is 3 by 36. Sum 5 is 4 by 36. Sum 6 is 5 by 36. Sum 7 is 6 by 36. Again decreasing 8, 5 by 36. 9, 4 by 36. 10, 3 by 36. 11, 2 by 36. 1, 12, 1 by 36. So here how many possible outcomes? Some students are thinking 2 to 12, possible outcomes are 11. So say each and every case we get the equal probability, equally likely, that is 1 by 12. That is the argument. No. What is the answer? I am not agree with the student. Okay, not agree with the student. In this, total outcomes are 36, not 11. And here 11 outcomes are event. Event means sum of 2 dice. So the probability is not 1 by 11, which is different. I have given probability of each event, which is sum of 2 dice two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the justification of the answer. Why the outcomes are 36. So each and every possible event has different probability, that is 1 by 36, 2 by 36, 3 by 36. This is the table. We get the probabilities for individual cases of the events. This 2, 3 to 12, those are the sum of the 2 dice on the faces. Okay.